Introducing Canva's AI for social media text.
Canva now offers powerful AI tools to help you create engaging text for social media graphics in seconds. Whether you need catchy headlines, inspirational quotes, or product captions, these features streamline the process so you can focus on creativity without getting stuck on words.
Accessing Canva's magic right.
To use Canva's AI text generator, open a project and select a text box. Look for the Magic Write option, available in the side panel or through Canva Docs. This tool helps you draft instant copy by simply entering prompts or suggestions for the style and tone you want.
Crafting effective prompts.
To get the best results, type a clear prompt like "Create a playful Instagram caption for a summer sale." Canva's AI analyzes your request and generates text tailored to your needs. Feel free to specify detail, mood, or keywords to fine-tune the output for your audience.
Editing and customizing AI text.
Once the AI generates text, review it and make any tweaks needed to match your brand voice. You can adjust length, rephrase ideas, or combine different suggestions. Canva's editing tools let you change fonts, colors, and effects, making your message stand out visually.
Saving and publishing your graphic.
After finalizing your text and design, save your social media graphic. Click the download button or publish directly to platforms like Instagram or Facebook from within Canva. This workflow saves time and ensures your posts are eye-catching and on message every time.